Kanglei Pakti Labadi Pangdava, Amdi Nusijava, Luma Mayam do the Yaina, Tonjaki Bani Saitandana. Krumzari Kanglei Pak, Yam Nusie, Koiswai. Idea Angang Edigi Chaba Takpa, Degi Portaba, Degi P shed Bakara Bamzare, let's hiring ideas so. Quiggy Kanglei Pakioba, Quiggy Kutna Saba, 1 KP Gumbasiam, Prisa Bamzavaina.
The family of Amom Kebola, wife of Amom Ruhikanta, is settled in the Cincinnati, United States along with their children. She is an indigenous food lover who loves both cooking and eating. She started sharing with the world on how to cook indigenous recipe on the social media platform. Her famous greeting, Kurumzari Kanglei Pak, which shows that she is still rooted to her homeland Manipur, has won many hearts.
Ibungi Boyamba, Mayam Chichen, Mayamna, Taudana, YouTube the Hakat Kibani. And the Yisum Mayam Nusibidana, the Taubere, Supita Taxaya, Quigi, Culture Sisham Pamzava, Mayam the Swain Utningba, Mayam was interaction Toningba.
In the beginning, she shared her videos on Facebook and later started reaching wider audience through YouTube. Her families sent her seasonal food items including vegetables. Kebola said that she started making videos of her cooking to let the world know about our indigenous food.
Mairinga Ngakota Tombagumba, the Yerunga Taxan Bagumba, and the protein Sekarasu, Pizaning ba, Mayang Kanglei Paktasu, Kitang. Kebola
expressed that she also wants to showcase the unique quality and beauty of Manipuri traditional attires. She urged for mass production of chemical-free organic food, considering health benefits.
Organic umba siam paidan haksangda do chemicals siaw do siam paiba da akhui Kanglei Pak si shoya dreba khoi masil hatnari ba tawrise aduna kitang sumthok hanjaningi ta sengna haradi paisa do khatang ni yon bioba.
Speaking about making YouTube videos, Kebola's husband Ruhikanta said that he will help her all he can to achieve her goal.
Magi food item traditional Manipuri food mayamje mi atai na su yengjaba yaba adagi masagi jo dum matam lenjaba yamna phaba thabak ne ai ma fully support tawjarakpane.
Kebola's simplest way of connecting people is commendable, which will help reach the world.
Ise Kebola gi tongan ba akogi traditional items sing asibo akogi yengbiriba khwai punamangna ise gi thongna ise gi pungning wakal thogat piduna hena makhata na iramdam gi oiba sana thangna bagi item kaya asi miyam da uhanbada achoba mateng ama miyam gi soidana pangakani haibagi thajaba thamjari. Camera person teleska loinana paudam jariba nabukuma khagopam Times of Manipur Imphal.
Kaina bagi aroi bamatamda pirangi palkhum natana laite karisu ama laite karisu ama kaina bagi aroi bamatamda